it's Webkinz 2. And I got this signature golden retriever and the collar, this lovely collar. Came from Webkinz 7.
Yeah, welcome.
And I have no idea what to name her yet. So you guys could leave name suggestions. The person who had her named her Ocean. But I'm not sure if I want to use that or not. So leave it.
I think this is pretty much your last expense at Webkinz, right?
Probably one of the last ones ever. Because of a deal I made.
Oh, together, yeah.
Yes, she was $100. But she was really worth the money. I mean, look at that face. Doesn't it just melt your heart?
It's so cute. Oh my gosh.
Anyway, that is really all for this video. And so I must say goodbye. See you later. Out.